So here we are outside of the home. This is an absolutely stunning Grade 2 listed building. We're going to be monitoring the progress of this building as it begins to come back to its old glorious features. Let's take a look.
Ground floor, as we're here in the dining room, shows the arrangement of the main house and the link, the lodge at this end and the annex at this end. There is a basement on this end of it and this end, which is the main house, and there's a second story just in the corner there.
I mean, I'm sure everyone's had a look at the drawings. So it's got all this frontage here. Obviously, the landscaping. This is the main house itself. It's going to be effectively family guest accommodation, as far as I understand, isn't it? It's like when they've got visitors, there's your part, there's your wing. So there's obviously quite a lot of work, bringing everything up to scratch outside, windows, masonry repairs and what have you. The main house really stops at this gate here. So here we see the ATOS extension.
There's going to be a lot of people who want this by the time it's finished, isn't there? Well, yeah. It's going to be the kind of thing you'll showcase.